Tired of your workout shirts making it look like you don't even work out? Let's turn this from a poncho to something a little more fitted and athletic. Plus, it performs much better when it has contact with your skin. I hate long intros though. Let's do this. Step 1, turn your garment inside out and then put it back on.
I think you should subscribe.
Step 2, let's find the right fit using the pinch method. Grab about 8 safety pins, pinch the sides of your shirt, and see what you feel comfortable with. Start high up under your armpits and place the safety pins even with its opposite counterpart. Work your way down all the way to the bottom of your shirt. Move around a bit and see how you like it. Adjust accordingly if needed, depending on how certain parts of your garment feel. This is what your pins will look like. They have the shape, but we're gonna make a few adjustments to make them more precise. Also, my workout shirt is from Target and has this flat side seam. That's totally okay. We can work with this. Don't panic. Just fold it down on one side or the other and then you're done. Simple. It has this slit at the bottom too that I like to keep, so we're gonna start our stitch just above it. It's super easy to do. I'll show you how. Step 3, grab a fabric measuring tape and check where your safety pins are. There are no hard and fast rules on inches or centimeters down the side, but just make sure that they match with the opposite side of your shirt. Measure the location of that safety pin and replace it with a sewing pin. You can keep the safety pins in and sew right next to them if you want to, but just be careful because you can break your needle and put your eye out. Now, write those measurements down so you never have to do the pinch method on this type of shirt ever again. You're welcome. Step 4, use these settings on your sewing machine. Start with the back stitch, and I'm gonna go pretty aggressively inward towards this first pin. I'll also put these settings down in the description for you too. Then just play connect the dots with your next few pins and take your time. End your stitch right under your armpit seam with the back stitch. This is what we got, and my stitch got away a little bit on me, but that's totally okay, not a big deal. Use some fabric scissors to cut off the excess fabric. This narrow zigzag stitch does a fantastic job of maintaining the performance and elasticity of our garment. And oh my goodness, it looks so much better. Now let's go do the same thing to a pair of joggers. It's in the next video. I will see you over there. SD out. See ya.